also use G-Accon. Well, what's G-Accon? I said, G-Accon, we take these CFO reports, they're laborious. It takes a lot of time to transpose all the data you're downloading from, QuickBooks or Xero, all the financial statements. Then you're uploading them, and there's formatting errors, and then there's formulas that get all goofed up. And I said, so we use G-Accon. G-Accon just pulls it straight out of the accounting platform, puts it right into our CFO report. And I said, just with like 10 clients, it's probably about 40 hours a month of labor that you've saved right there. Not to mention the opportunity for what I call transposition errors. You mess stuff up along the way. Oh, that's so smart. I hadn't thought of that. Are the G-Accon people here? I said, yeah, they're here. This conversation really happened. And it's interesting a lot of times thinking about something like that, because we get in our heads that we need to hire a bigger team, right? We need a virtual assistant, we need an analyst, we need an executive assistant to do a lot of these things. And so what I would encourage you to do is as you're thinking about things like tech stack or team, which we're going to talk a lot about team today, look and see if there's those platforms out there that don't just look cool, but actually move the needle for you. I mean, you think of the cost of an executive assistant or a virtual assistant or a junior accountant that you can trust to do the kind of work that G-Accon does, for an example. A lot of labor burden there, even if they're 1099. There's those opportunities to mess things up. I'll tell you, I'm not a sexy guy. I'm not into the flashy stuff. That's how G-Accon is. It's not one of those platforms that looks super cool. Just going to be honest with you. It's not the coolest looking thing, but it's simple. And it works. You look at, tens of dollars a month to check them out. And we've been using them for 4 years. So it was a no-brainer for us when they said, hey, we'd like to be a partner for the CFO Accelerator Live. And I was like, no-brainer. You guys are awesome. So check out G-Accon, especially if you're using QuickBooks or Xero for your accounting platforms. Andre, the CEO of G-Accon's here, so if you have any questions, they're a little bit like me. They're super approachable. They're willing to work with you, listen to your problems, help you figure them out. I would encourage you to check them out. Is anybody in here using G-Accon yet? Is it just me? Awesome. Give it up. So you can see it's not just me. G-Accon's awesome. So make sure you meet those ladies and gentlemen. I think they're doing a free trial for us. There's a promo code that I'm sure Gretchen will share with you. It's 33% off or something amazing like that, 30% off for being part of this program.